In the early days of Bitcoin, an investment of just $1 would have made you an instant millionaire today. Unfortunately, that is no longer the case, but in today's video, I'm going to share with you 3 other cryptocurrencies under $1 with enormous growth potential that anyone can buy on the open market, giving you a chance to get in before everyone else. If you're interested in making money with cryptocurrencies, you should subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to be alerted whenever I release a new video. These videos are time sensitive and you don't want to miss out on these alerts. Just to give you a sense of where we are right now at the time of this recording, Bitcoin bulls are hoping to push the price over $4,000 to $5,000 in order to validate a bullish trend reversal. And you can see here you hit just around $4,000 to $5,000, and now we have definitely come back down. There is a possibility that we could see a pullback if we manage to break over that level, but I don't expect this to happen. The first altcoin we'll talk about is going to be XRP. After Ripple just got permission to explain fair notice defense versus the SEC, this is a massive win for them in this case, and I do believe if they win this case, this cryptocurrency will go above and beyond $1. And if we take a look at the chart, we see that XRP is sitting at 84 cents right now, which is a massive growth potential for this coin. Jeremy Hogan noted that the SEC versus Ripple might be heading toward a verdict very soon, and he tweeted, "It's good because we're moving into a new phase." XRP is a digital asset built for payments, a native digital asset on the XRP ledger, an open-source permissionless and decentralized blockchain technology, and a convenient instrument in bridging 2 different currencies quickly and efficiently. So how is XRP used? The XRP ledger can settle transactions within 3 to 5 seconds. While other digital assets are struggling to keep up with XRP's 1,500 transactions per second throughput, Ripple is focusing on developing technology that will help XRP expand its utility and revolutionize the world of global payments. Third parties are also buying into other XRP-related use cases, and Ripple itself is extremely scalable. The XRP ledger settles XRP transactions instantly without the energy costs associated with proof of work or mining because it is run by a decentralized network of 150 validators around the world. Its record-breaking technology is very scalable and stable, making it ready for institutional and enterprise use. So now that you've learned about XRP, how do you buy it? FTX, Gate.io, KuCoin, and Kraken are a few notable examples of exchanges that are readily accessible to most users by simply clicking on the Market button, which may be the best option for residents of the United States. However, investors should conduct their own due diligence before making any purchases, as cryptocurrencies are very volatile and anything can happen at any time. The second altcoin we'll talk about is Vechain. We had some huge news about Vechain just a few weeks ago, but the real reason why I'm sharing with you Vechain is that Grayscale, which is the world's largest crypto asset manager, now holds 25 coins to the list of assets that is considering to list for 4 low market cap tokens. The upshot of this is that if Grayscale decides to hold Vechain, I believe it has the potential to rise in value in the future. Of course, this is all speculation. You should conduct your own research and never invest money you cannot afford to lose. That being said, I believe this is a positive development because I believe that Vechain might hit $1, and the reason for this is that the market cap is only $4 billion, and if you look at that, it would only need to go up to $30 to $35 billion to get there. It would put it in the top 10 cryptos, and I do truly believe that this is possible. That's why I'd like to share with you some more information about Vechain and why I believe this cryptocurrency will be in the top 10 in the next few months or years. It is a public blockchain that delivers its value from the actions created by participants of the ecosystem in solving real-world economic issues. Blockchain platform Vechain is a distributed ledger technology (DLT) platform designed to improve supply chain management. Its goal is to streamline these processes and information flow for complex supply chains through the use of DLT. The Vechain platform contains 2 distinct tokens: Vechain Token (VET), which is used to transfer value across the network, and Vechain Thor, which is used for energy or gas to power smart contracts. This is why I believe Vechain has the potential to have a network effect and be a cryptocurrency that is widely used and adopted around the world. One of their most significant partnerships is with Walmart and Sam's Club, which is a major mainstream adoption that is actually being implemented and used in regular day-to-day activities. You can see all of the different communities that are using this token and Thor token on the Vechain's Twitter page, and you can see some really big companies like Travala and Woo and many others. And here are some enterprises who also trust the Thor token. You have PCW, DNV, Grant Thornton, and many others. In addition to retail, the Vechain Thor network now has partnerships with Crypto.com, OceanX, Briar Capital, and many other e-commerce giants, as I've already mentioned. There are many more that will join this list in the near future. And last but not least, the Vechain Thor network has telecom, logistics, energy, medical, fashion, and automobile dApps as well. Because of the expected growth in the number of Vechain partners and users, more people will need to hold the Trezor coins to power their ecosystem. One of the most important factors for me when investing in new cryptocurrencies is the potential network effect, and Vechain appears to be one of those cryptos with a huge network effect. There are a number of ways to buy Vechain on the market. First, you can go to CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap and look for the Markets tab, where you'll find the various cryptocurrency exchanges where you can buy Vechain. Some of the easier options for those in the United States include Crypto.com and Binance, while those outside of the United States should probably stick with Binance. To give you an idea of what I think Vechain's price will be in the short and long term, based on all of the partnerships and the use case, I believe Vechain will return to 10 cents in the short term, and if it breaks through the 10 cents barrier, I believe it will hold that level as a support and we could see Vechain rise to 15 or 20 cents, or even 50 cents, if we get above the 25-30 cent mark. The next coin we'll talk about is the Shiba Inu decentralized meme token, which has evolved into a vibrant ecosystem, and this to me is really misunderstood. Many people believe that they just buy the token and hope that it goes up in value, but there is so much more going on with Shiba Inu, and this is why I believe it is going to explode and make some investors very wealthy. Shiba Inu has its own Shiba swap, where you can buy the Shiba token, the Leash token, and the Bone token. The amount of TVL just for the Shiba swap is approximately $250 million, which shows me people are buying these tokens, pairing them together, and then earning yield. People love this yield farming stuff. As claimed by industry sources, an investor bought more than 70 trillion Shiba Inu coins for $8,000, turning it into $5.7 billion after starting their purchases of the currency in August 2020, making it a hot topic for crypto discussions. Is it possible to spend $8,000 in Shiba now and become a billionaire? What the heck do I know? Truth be told, the price of Shiba Inu is currently up 14% at the time of this video, but it is still down significantly from its all-time high, and you can see that Shiba has produced these gigantic candles all the way up and then they come tumbling down. Due to the high volatility and risk of cryptocurrency coins like this, buying all the way up here would have resulted in a significant loss. This highlights the importance of timing when investing in cryptocurrencies. I believe Shiba has some momentum and can help you multiply your money exponentially in the event of a massive blow-off top rally. Shiba Inu tokens can be also purchased on Coinbase, Binance, Vechain, Gemini, and many other exchanges, and while Robinhood CEO is explaining why he's resisting calls for accepting Shiba, I truly believe it's only a matter of time before Shiba Inu is accepted. As a bonus altcoin, Hex is one of the most promising cryptocurrencies under $1 at the time of this recording. It has a 38% annual return of state, and this is where you can multiply your money exponentially with crypto, because not only is the currency likely to rise in value, but staking it means that your money is also growing that way. When Hex was trading at 2 pennies just a few months ago, you could have gotten a 10x return on your money right now. But if you were staking this cryptocurrency, you could have gotten even more than a 10x return. If you had gotten into Hex 2 years ago, this is where you could have made some massive gains. I'm talking about millionaire gains. Hex is a misunderstood cryptocurrency that has risen over 941 times in value, with more than 400,000 people holding it. I could do a whole dedicated video about Hex, but I believe it is an undervalued coin right now. What are my expectations for the value of these digital currencies? It's possible that Hex might return to its all-time high of 50 cents, perhaps even to $1, and that's an impressive 5 times your money from the time this video was made. With Shiba Inu, we could probably revisit our all-time highs and perhaps we'll even see 0.0001 in the future. At the current price of 6 cents for Vechain, I believe this cryptocurrency could rise to its all-time highs of 25 cents if the market turns bullish. A rise to 50 cents or $1 is also not out of the question. If we look at XRP, I believe this cryptocurrency could rise to its all-time high of $3 if the market turns bullish. Those are my picks for the best 3 cryptocurrencies under $1 today. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel so that I can keep giving you new videos every day. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.